So within the last 30 days, I actually ended up making $8,000 with two different strategies that were both online. So let's get into the video. So as I said before, I actually made about $8,000 in this month, and that was basically surrounded around two different strategies. One is Shopify, and two is actually through what I promote this YouTube to actually be is phone flipping. And I know I haven't recorded any videos, but that's honestly just because I've been grinding and trying to grow my business that I have on Shopify. So I mean, it's kind of hard to prove that I did do this, but I'm trying to be as transparent with this channel as possible. But as you can see up here, I'll post kind of how I track my phone sales. And then I actually have my Shopify app here with my store, and on that I did only about $530 in actually sales. So that was only about 500, and then sales for the phone flipping was about 7,500. And of that, obviously that's not exactly what I made, and I'm not claiming to be anything, any sort of entrepreneur or like successful entrepreneur or anything like that. I'm just trying to be transparent in what I do, and for you guys to take exactly what I'm doing and maybe apply it yourself and make an income out of it. So obviously I'm in college. This isn't a full-time thing, but it's definitely possible to make this kind of money sitting from my desk, which I sit here every single day for probably 12 to 15 hours just kind of grinding it out. So but with that said, I'll first kind of go over the sales. So I actually ended up doing 24 phones that I flipped this month, and that's pretty aggressive. That's honestly why I haven't had much time to do YouTube. I obviously could have fit it in there, but I've just not prioritized my time very well. But I'm back here. I really want to provide value to you guys, give you something to learn from. So those 24 phones, they kind of range. I kind of do iPhone 6 and newer. So those can be cracked, bad IMEI, finance. They could be brand new. I've had a bunch of sealed products this time, and I typically will sell all like the cracked and bad ones via eBay, because there's obviously an exponential 500 times more amount of buyers on eBay than there is in the local market, and I'm in Arizona, so there's not too many people where I live. So but like the iPhone 7s regular 32 gigabyte, I will usually hold and sell with apps like OfferUp, Craigslist, Letgo, 5 Mile, things like that. And that's just personal preference. I don't want to mess with any phone that I think is good and then could sell it on eBay and it turns out that they filed an insurance claim on it. So I usually only do like brand new things I sell on eBay, or if I know they're already bad IMEI, I will sell on eBay. So that's kind of strategy I took. I know some other eBay and phone flippers will sell everything on eBay. It's just kind of mitigating my risk, and if I can sell it in the local market, I definitely will, because that's quicker cash, and eBay holds their money obviously for up to 21 days, which is very annoying obviously. So but yeah, I did 24 phones. It was almost a phone every day if you think about it. It was only 31 days in a month, and I did 24 of them. So this month has been truly a grind, and out of those phones I made about $2,500 in profit, which is about a 35% margin, which is pretty good in the phone flipping business. A lot of people will average like 50, 60 bucks phone profit per phone, where I try to look at 100 up to, I had a profit on an iPhone X this month. Let me look. An iPhone X I bought for $380. The guy just needed a car payment, and then sold it for $820, literally in the same exact day. So that was a $440 profit. If you think about that, that's in one day. Like I think it's to make $100,000 in a year, you need to make 270 something, like $3 every single day for 365 days. So that's pretty cool to think about, making $440 in a single day. And then some days I didn't have so much luck. Like once this month I actually ended up getting robbed for a phone. I only ended up paying $160 for it, so I took a hit for $160. So I could be closer to honestly like $2,700 in profit. But it's part of the business. It's part of business in general. You'll take hits, you learn from them, and you move on. That's something I'll give another video on, and how that actually happened to me. because it is something you guys can learn from and not let it not happen to you if you're interested in phone flipping. Now moving on to the Shopify side, as you can tell, I made about $500 in sales, and honestly, I didn't make any profit from that. Being an entrepreneur, starting entrepreneur and watching people like Gary Vee, I realized early, if you have a business, reinvest all your money. So I'm not taking any profit from that. I'm using my phone business to help supplement not having any profit from that, and I have no problem taking a loss if I need to, if I look at the exponential, the long tail of this business that I want to grow. It's actually my company called Find the Hustle. Obviously, you can see I'm wearing one of the t-shirts. I rep them every single day, trying to spread the word. But the strategy we're taking is through Instagram, and if this can apply if you're doing drop shipping, if you're doing a phone flipping, you can create a business and spread knowledge on Instagram, which I'm thinking about creating as an Instagram page for potential phone flippers and eBay flippers, just like a tip a day, maybe put a post or two every single day on a tip I give that will help you guys learn something about that. So but yeah, we're using an ambassador program kind of model for the company at the moment. We're just kind of trying to create brand awareness and eventually create it into something where it can be a sustainable company. We haven't filed an LLC or something like that. I don't make nearly enough money to do that. But the actual company itself, we've got about 330 followers in about a month's time, and that's just grinding, shooting DMs. And I'll make another video on that. I have so many video ideas I can shoot you guys this month. And I'm very excited. I know maybe if one of you watches this, I get excited because I'm spreading knowledge, and I love providing free knowledge to anybody because I'm just trying to help people make money. Like I was struggling just a month ago trying to make a single buck in a day, and I made $2,500 this month. So it's pretty incredible how far I've come from the beginning, like you could say the beginning of the semester. I'm in college, so beginning of second semester for me. So this is a bit of a longer video, but I thought I'd kind of do an update for you guys, kind of lay the platform for how I'm running this YouTube channel again, starting it back up. Trying to make it a little bit more exciting instead of me just sitting in front of the camera, but obviously the circumstances were held to just talking and giving an update today, so obviously I'm going to sit on my computer. But again, if you've made it to the end of the video, I want to thank you for watching. I'm going to be doing these every single day. I wanna create a personal brand. I want to spread knowledge to you guys, and I want to help you guys make some money just from your phone or your computer. So thanks again, and I'll catch you tomorrow in the next video.